Want your Samsung phone to use full mobile data without restrictions? If apps are slow or notifications are delayed, Data Saver may be on. Here's how to turn it off easily in a few tabs. Tap on the settings the gear icon or simply open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. In the settings menu, tap on connections. This is where all network related options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data are managed. Scroll down and select data usage. Here you can see how much mobile data your phone has used and control related features. Find the data saver option and tap on it. If it is enabled, you will see that it is currently turned on. Simply tap the switch next to turn on now and turn it off. The switch will turn gray, confirming that data saver is disabled. After turning it off, your apps will work more freely in the background and notifications will arrive without delay. You can always turn it back on later if you want to save mobile data again. Enjoy smoother browsing and faster app performance on your Samsung phone.